Hi, today I am super excited to unbox with you my juicer. Yeah, I got this from Jumia. This was made possible by the kind courtesy of Tips with Nikki. Since last year, I have desired to own a juicer, and not too long ago, Hajia Nikki bought from me. She bought some bracelets from, and so I decided to use the proceeds from the sales to go and get the juicer. I am tired. I feel sleepy. I have done so much today, but I have decided to do the unboxing with you this evening. So when you see me using the juicer, you know that yes, yeah, Toby. It's not a known brand, so the name is Juice Extractor, just that. And I hope what I want from it is for it to serve its purpose, and I want to believe that that is what it's going to do. Nothing more, nothing less. It's red. It's red. I love it. If you don't know, I stand for red. Yeah, I am for red. Krobia Sante Kotoko. Ukuma Pima. Apim Beba. So, this is how it is. So like this one here, we are not used to them. I will not say we. So I'll put this one here. It's not too big, but it's worth it. I think together with the posting, it's almost 320 Ghana cedis. Together with they said it's shipping free. I want to believe these things are already in Ghana. I will figure out how to open it, because I will have to see all that is inside. So by tomorrow I will go through the manual to see how it looks like. Oh, okay, so this will take care of the chaff. Wow, let's start choosing. Size 12, here we come. So as I have indicated already, it is brandless. The brand is not known. It doesn't have a name. All I want from it is for it to extract the juices that I want. So nothing more, nothing less. And I love the fact that it is way red. It's wine, yeah, but the fact that it is not black or silver, it makes me happy. I'll go through the manual to see how to be able to take this thing out and how to wash it properly. So I'll go through the manual tomorrow, and we are going to start juicing together. So on this note, I want to say thank you. I hope you enjoyed this unboxing. Yeah, we are going to juice. So I want to say cheers to size 12. Size 12, here I come. I am coming. I am coming for you. Size 12, by hook or crook, by force, by fire, by tender. I am coming for you. Size 12. Against phone baby. I know some people are going to be like, Emma so. Those people, me push him away. I hope you enjoyed this short video from me. Yes, keep buying for me. I have so many things on my list that I want, and it is when you patronize my small business that I'll get the l'argent to buy those things to make my life easier and comfortable. Until I grace your screens again, this is the Satan Nana saying, whenever you say a prayer, don't forget to say one for me. I live in the peace and the mercies of the Most High. Peace. Say shalom and chop kiss. Bye-bye. I love red here. Red. This one there, it doesn't, the brand is not known. Yeah, it's not a known brand.